Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.
Hello everyone, today we'll be doing the unboxing of a digital or a electronic portable scale. Now you guys must have used the old mechanical based weighing machines, which are one, quite bulky, second, mechanical in nature, so that's not that much easy to take the readings, and third, they are very difficult to use. And all this can be solved using this product. Now, I got this product from Amazon for about 249 rupees, which I feel is a very good price for a product like this. The outer packaging was very decent, and inside the box was like this. They have included a scanner on top of the package, which you can scan using the transparency app to make sure that the product is authentic. Now I've already started using the product, so I'll give you, and the box is already unboxed, so I'll give you the overview of the box contents first. Straight off we get the product itself, and apart from the product, let me just keep it aside for a minute. We had a small user manual or a leaflet, and included were two two AAA batteries, and that's a very good thing. I would say that they have included the batteries in the box itself. On the back side of the box we can see some information like it's highly precise, so to be accurate, it can measure with an accuracy of about 5 grams from 0 to 10 kg weight, and with the accuracy of up to 50 grams when measuring from 10 kilograms to 50 kilograms weight. Apart from that, so they have mentioned the product size, as well as it has a very good and decent, super bright, backlit screen. And let me just show you the product itself. So this is what this weighing digital portable machine looks like, and it's very simple to use. I've already plugged in the batteries here. All you need to do is just take this flap out and include the batteries, which I have done already. And one thing I would have to mention, that even though this product is hardly 250 rupees, it's very nicely built. The build quality is really good and it doesn't feel flimsy or something like that. So that's not a problem at all with this product. And all you need to do is just take out the stand. So this is where you will be holding the weigh, and to switch it on you just need to click on the on off button. As you can see, the machine boots up and we have a very nice display here, which shows the weigh with a very good precision of up to 3 decimal places. Now we have a couple of other buttons as well. So on the right we have a unit button, so you can change the unit to pound, gin, that is semi kilogram, or ounces. I'll keep it to kilogram for now. And this button here, which is written as tar, can be used to measure in a very specific case. So suppose you are weighing something which is inside a container, so you can first of all measure the container itself, and then you can put the contents inside the container and then continue to weigh it. What the machine will do is it will remove the weight of the container from the contents plus container weight. So eventually you get a very highly accurate value of the contents only. This machine works on the principle of pull. So here I am trying to simulate a weight. I'm trying to pull this machine, and you can see that immediately once I do that, the values on top will change. There's a lock button right now, and I'll come to it later. Let me just reset the machine for now. So as you can see, when I'm pulling it, it is showing me the weights. And you remember the lock sign which was appearing earlier? So what that basically does is, once you have applied the weigh on the scale and it has reached a stable value, it basically locks that value up here on the top. And what that does is that once you put the contents out from the the hook here, you can take the reading without the reading getting lost. So this is a very nice functionality, I would say, in a product like this. And I've been using it a while now. I've used it to weigh luggages, which I would say are of about 15 kg or 20 kg. And I've not noticed any issue with this product at all. One very specific use case of it can be to measure your luggage when you are going through airlines. You can measure your luggages and make sure that they are within the the prescribed limits. So this was all about this product. I would highly recommend anybody to get this product, especially for those who are traveling a lot using airlines, or who are having occasional need to measure something now then up to the weight of 50 kg. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to ask them in the comments below. I will attach the product link in the description, and stay tuned for my next unboxing video. Thank you all.